Understanding Pregnancy Milestones, a guide for English language learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic: pregnancy milestones. This phrase is common in discussions about pregnancy, but what does it really mean? Let's explore together and break down this term to make it clear and understandable for everyone learning English. Pregnancy milestones refer to the key stages and events that occur throughout a pregnancy. These are significant moments that mark progress in the development of the baby inside the mother's womb. Understanding these milestones can help expectant parents, their families, and friends to track the pregnancy's progress and prepare for the baby's arrival. 1. First trimester. This period covers the first 12 weeks of pregnancy. Key milestones include the first positive pregnancy test, the first heartbeat detected during an ultrasound, and the end of the first trimester, which marks a decrease in the risk of miscarriage. 2. Second trimester. Spanning weeks 13 to 26. During this time, parents can learn the baby's sex, feel the baby's first movements, and see more detailed features during ultrasound scans. 3. Third trimester. The final stretch from weeks 27 to birth. Milestones include the baby dropping or moving lower into the pelvis in preparation for birth, the start of labor, and, of course, the birth of the baby. Understanding pregnancy milestones is crucial for multiple reasons. They help in monitoring the health of both the mother and the baby. They also provide emotional support and excitement for the family as they can celebrate these milestones. Furthermore, knowing these milestones helps in planning for medical appointments, maternity leave, and the baby's arrival. If you're learning English and come across discussions or readings about pregnancy, recognizing these milestones can help you better understand the context. It's also a great way to expand your vocabulary and engage in conversations with native speakers about a universally relevant topic. We hope this video has shed light on the meaning and significance of pregnancy milestones. It's a beautiful journey filled with anticipation and joy, and now you can talk about it confidently in English. Thank you for watching, and we wish you the best in your English learning journey.